So what we're going to look at is dividing fractions. I'm going to look at 2/5 and I'm going to divide that by 4. So because I can't do 5 as my denominator divided by 4, I'm going to change it into a denominator that I can use. So if I look at the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5, if I take 2/5 and convert into 20ths, I'm going to multiply by 4, then I'm going to multiply my numerator by 4 as well, which means that I've got 8/20ths. The next thing to do is to do 8, and I'm going to divide my 8/20ths by 4. There's 8 of them, so 8 divided by 4 is 2/20ths, or 1/10. And that's easy. So this is the easy way to do 2/5 divided by 4 without all that messing about converting fractions to different denominators and equivalences and things like that. Okay, so we've got 2/5 divided by 4, and that's the same as 2/5 divided by 4/1, because 4 is 4 lots of 1, and 1 as a fraction is that, but we've got 4 lots of that, so we're using 4/1. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by a fraction instead. So the trick is 2/5. Instead of dividing by that 4, I'm going to multiply by 1/4. Using the method that we know for timesing our fractions, I can look at 2 times by 1/5 times by 4, which is 2/20ths, or 1/10. And that's much, much simpler. There are no equivalences to do, and all I have to do is remember to flip my 4/1 over, so we've got 1/4, and multiply instead of divide. Simple.